Hello everyone, welcome to the Tadakta Bhadakta and Mazadar session by Passion Chasers. Make your passion a professional. So, in today's session, we are going to do 3 tricks to master grammar. This session will not only enhance your grammatical skills but also will provide you a grab or a grip to your vocabulary skills as well. So, this session will address your grammatical skills to score good marks in your grammar exams as well as will improve your vocabulary skills. Now, without wasting any time, let's start with our 3 tricks to master grammar. First trick, it has 3 rules. How many rules? It has 3 rules. And this simply means that you have to capitalize. Now, what do you need to capitalize? Using 3 rules. First, every first letter of a word and a sentence is to be capital. Every first letter of a word and a sentence needs to be capital. Now coming, as we said, our first rule is to capitalize. Coming to the second thing, that is we need to capitalize our proper nouns. We need to capitalize our proper nouns. Now what are proper nouns? Proper nouns are something, name of a person, place, animal or a thing. Now this doesn't mean that if I say the dog named Mao, so here the D will not be capital, but the word Mao, the M will be capital. Why? Because it's a proper noun. It's a name of a. Now the third thing is that you need to capitalize all the honors, all the title names. For example, Mr., Mrs., Miss, etc. Now generally people do ask me that what is the honor or title for a widow? It is generally said that whatever the widow says, that if she wants that to put Miss or Mrs., according to her, you add on the honor or the title. So now coming to our second trick to master grammar. Generally people say that there is a lot of confusion between using the word I or me. Now in this trick we're going to see the usage of I or me, where to use I and where to use me. For example, there's a sentence that people generally confuse. I and Ramesh are going to the park, or Ramesh and I are going to the park, or me and Ramesh are going to the park, or Ramesh and me are going to the park. So it's very confusing. So to master the trick, let's see the usage of I and me. Here the word I is used as a subject and the word me is always used as an object. So wherever you have to address yourself as an object, then you will put me towards the end. Obviously the object comes towards the end of a sentence. For example, Ramesh was talking to me. Now I am addressed as an object, me, and I placed it towards the end. So now coming to the third and the final most trick to master grammar. This is about question tags. Generally people say na, you eat food na, did you have your food na, you were talking to Ram na. This is very pathetic. You cannot say na. Na is not an English word. Okay, so stop saying na at every ending of a question that you are saying. It's not at all right. Now here the question tags come to rescue when talking about the or learning about the grammatical skills. Now here I will brief you how to use this question tags in a sentence to give you a proper way in your vocabulary as well as in your grammatical sessions. For example, I am giving you a sentence. You are eating your food, didn't you? You are talking to Ram, aren't you? So this is the proper way of saying a question or putting a question tag in an order. Now how to finalize or how to decide which question tags can be put. This needs to be addressed using the verb. For example, when I said you are eating your food, aren't you? So with the help of are, I decided that here the question tag will be used, that is aren't you. You ate your food. Here the question tag I used with didn't you, and simply towards the end you have to put the subject again, you. Here in this sentence you was the subject, right? So guys, these were the 3 tricks to master grammar as well as your vocabulary skills. I hope you liked it and you will also use these 3 master tricks in your vocabulary as well as while appearing in your grammar exams to enhance your skills and to provide a good grab to your grammar and vocabulary skills as well. Thank you so much.